Hey, buongiorno amici. This is Vito's Italian Cucina, and today is a very special day today. That's right. Today we're going to be doing eggplant lasagna or melanzana. Lasagna. This is a melanzana. It's an eggplant, which is going to be beautiful. You're going to love this. It's a very simple recipe, and I want you to just stay with me and watch this. I'm going to show you what we got today. Look down here. Right over here we have mushrooms. What are mushrooms? Fungi. Fungi, that's right. And then we have some spinach. Look at that. Spinach. Look how beautiful that is. Marron. Look at that. Spinach. That's a spinach. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to use some ricotta. This is ricotta cheese. It's a beautiful, beautiful blend right there. And then, look at this. Zucchinis. I'm going to go like this. Look, it's a zucchini. How do you say zucchini in Italian? Zucchini. That's it. Okay, that's an easy one. Over here. Then we have some slices of eggplant. And we have some slices of zucchini right here. Right? Okay, but I'm not finished yet. Let me come over here and show you what else is going to go in here. Here is a mixture of jack cheese and some mozzarella right there. And this is formaggi. Formaggi, the cheeses. I love to say that. But first I'm going to show you, this is a finished product. Look at how finished and beautiful, beautiful these eggplants. It's a melanzana. It's brown on both sides. And what I did was I put egg white on there first. It's like a sponge. Eggplant, the melanzana, it's like a sponge. It'll soak in the oil. And you put them down. It's very, very simple. And you do the same thing with the zucchini. I've got my sauce that's been cooking. Look at that marron. Look at that sugu. Instead of picking it up like this, you pick it up like this, and it sticks, and you go, bing, and it goes like this. Look, bang. Okay, but if you pick it up like this, with the spatula that way, you can still do it, but it's not as much fun. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by putting a little bit of oleo on the bottom, some olive oil, and a little bit of sauce, okay? Lasagna. And today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the wheat lasagna. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start layering it in there like that. Can you see how I'm going to do that? Easy. Just lay it down, and just on top of there, you put the sauce on the bottom like that and the oleo so it doesn't stick. And now, I'm just going to put a little layer of spaghetti sauce on top, just like this. Look how simple this is, folks. This is like, not brain surgery. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take the ricotta cheese. Oh, boy. And I'm going to take a little scoop like this, and you can put it in like that. Just like little dollops, just like this. Oh, man, this is beautiful. Look at that. Some melanzana. There's our eggplant. And we're going to just layer it just like that. And then I'm going to get some zucchini, and we're going to put this, like that. Spinach. A little bit of spinach. Can you say it with me? A spinach. Very nice. Okay, you take the spinach and you put it in here like this, because this is going to be great, folks. I'm going to tell you, just layer that in here just like that. Okay? And then what are we going to do, right? A little bit of aglio. That's right. Just a little bit of aglio, which is garlic. And you go ahead and you sprinkle a little bit on top of that. And then on top of that, what we're going to do? More sauce, okay? We're going to go just like this. Just like that. Because after this, the last layer of the spaghetti sauce, we got to put the formaggi, which is the cheese, okay? Just like this, okay? There we go, and that's it. That's it. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look at this. I'm going to go, oh my God, I'm going to need help getting to the oven. Okay, 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Can you see that, folks? Holy macaroni. We do lots of things here. We have a lot of fun here. And, hey, I'm not going to do this by myself. Get down here. I guess it gets his own on-air stuff there. That's Jimmy the Beak. Hey, Jimmy, can I have a bite, please? Please, just a little bit before we go off the air. Now. Oh, that's not good. See you later. Ciao for now.